Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. This is Paula, who is behind of camicrochetdesigns. Today's tutorial is about how to make a round coaster with teacher yarn. The supplies you're gonna need are teacher yarn. This is a Trikolino teacher yarn, and today I'm gonna try this yarn with this project. Also, you're gonna need scissors and yarn needle. Well, let's get started. We're gonna start making a magic ring with 7 single crochet into it. I used to make a 6 single crochet, and then when I'm doing the join, I'm gonna add another stitch. So in total I'm gonna get 7 single crochet. So, and how is that process? How can I get that extra single crochet? It's gonna be in this way. And it is a seamless joining procedure. So, can you see this little hole in the back? This is just in the middle of the first single crochet we did at the beginning. So you're gonna come from back to front with your hook, grab the loop, bring it to the back, and then you're gonna go under this loop and through this hole or the middle of the first single crochet we made in the magic ring. Now loop on your hook and then grab yarn, pull through, and you're gonna get the first single crochet for the next round. And also you are doing the joining, and also you are getting the extra stitch. So now we have 7 single crochet into this magic ring. Okay, so for the next step, this is gonna be round number 1, and we are gonna work with waistcoat stitches. Waistcoat stitches, if you haven't worked with this stitch, is very easy to make. The only thing you have to be careful is where you are going through with your hook to make the stitch. So you cannot go just like in the side of the stitch. You have to go through the middle of the stitch, through the single crochet. So here I'm showing how can you go through the middle of the single crochet. So that one is a single stitch, the waistcoat stitch. So you're gonna make one increase with waistcoat stitch in between each single crochet, one increase with a waistcoat stitch in between each single crochet from your magic ring. So in total you're gonna have 14 stitches in this round. So now if you want to make a coaster with 2 different colors as I'm showing in this video, you can do the changing color in this part, or if you want to get just on your coaster with just one color, you can keep working with the same color you've been working from the beginning. But in this case, I want to show you how to make the changing color with this yarn. So here you are going to join with the new color. This is the first single crochet we made in the previous row, and you're gonna try to work through the middle of that single crochet, because you are gonna work with waistcoat stitch. So here, go through, grab the loop, yarn over, pull through, and you're gonna have your first single crochet for the next round. Also, you are closing or you are joining the previous round, and now you can start working with your round number 2. This round is gonna be 1 waistcoat stitch and then 1 increase. You're gonna go from back to front with your crochet hook, grab the loop, leave it in the back, then you're gonna work through the middle of that stitch. That was the first stitch of this round. Put the loop and hook, then grab yarn, go through, and that's it. Now this is your round number 3, and you're gonna make 1 increase. You're gonna make 1 increase with waistcoat stitch, then waistcoat stitch in next 2 stitches. At the end, same thing, you're gonna join with the seamless or invisible technique, so you can cut the yarn, because this is the size we're looking for this coaster. So you have to cut your yarn, and now with your yarn needle you're gonna close, or you are gonna finish this last stitch. Okay, and now we have to fasten off and wave the ends. And this is how it turned out. You see, it's so pretty and it's perfect. You cannot identify what is the joining. Even working with teacher yarn, you can make it. So look at this. So now you have beautiful and cute coasters. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So, well, bye.